Hello, me fixing everything, and today this electric car got a little problem. When you turn the ignition on and it's forward or backward, the rear wheels start to instantly spin, which most likely leads to a foot switch problem. Now you can see here, this should spring back even if it's not potentiometer, if it's a on-off switch. Yeah, it should spring back. This one is completely solid, so I lifted this one up like this, and now we'll see how we're going to get access to the foot switch. I think the technician is already underneath it, yeah, and it's making the repair. Okay, so I turned it upside down, and we can see here, got like a little clip, and this says so just push it like this. Okay, how many? 2 wires, so it's on-off switch. Let's have a look what we have here. It's holding itself by 2 cables, so remove it now. I undo this little screw here, and I opened it up and was stuck just like this. Yeah, just like this it was stuck, and I pressed it all the way down to here, and now it's perfectly fine. It's just a on-off switch with spring on the inside. So I'll put it back together now again, and we can see now that it feels absolutely fine. Let's put it back on the car. Let me see, is there a model number if you need to replace it? No? 6 amps, 250 volts, normal switch. Okay, let's put it onto the car now. Good, let's put a battery and see how the tires turn. You see that the ignition is on now. Forward. Okay, so it does work fine. Perfect, so easy fixed. Hope this video is helpful. See you on the next one. Bye bye.